Hello, this is Amber from usedpantysellingadvice.com and laceyourface.com, back again to go a little further into building a basic panty site utilizing wordpress.com. And the first tutorial I covered how to alter the site design and the structure, such as the background and header images. I also created and edited both posts and pages, and edited the site title and tagline, and changed the link colors to match the background. And in this particular tutorial, I am going to show you how to move your blog off of the home page. By default, WordPress.com assigns the blog to be displayed on a home page. And what I'm going to do is create a new page and assign the posts to be displayed on that page. And I'll also get into how to customize the navigation menu and what the navigation menu is. Going back to the front end of my site, that's this right here. It lets users go to various pages on your site, and you could customize that. I will also show you how to omit your blog entirely at one point. So to begin the process of moving my blog to a separate page and assigning a different page to the home page, I have to first create a page for all of the posts to display on. Now I've already logged on to WordPress.com and it brought me to my backend, the dashboard. And as I said, I want to go ahead and create a page. Off to the left here, I covered this in the last tutorial, pages. Add new page. I'm just going to title it, maybe I'll do Panty blog with no caps. Now this is all I need to do. I just need to publish it at this point. So off to the right here, go ahead and publish it. And again, I have the front end displayed on a separate tab. That way I could just on my PC press the F5 key and refresh it. You'll see that it's on the navigation menu. By default, it's already put up, and I can go ahead and alter that later. But we still have on the home page here the blog, and we still haven't put the blog on here. It's just a normal page at this point. So how you put your posts on the page, I'm going to go ahead and go back home there. How you put the posts on the page that you just created is actually in your settings option. So go all the way to the bottom here to the left and click on settings and reading. Now this section right here is pretty much what we'll be working with. And you can see by default the front page displays the latest posts. I'm going to assign it a static page that I've already created. I could create another page if I wanted to and assign the front page to that, but what I'm going to do is make it the About Me page that I already had created. Now the post page, this is where you assign which page you want to put the posts on. And I'm going to assign that to the Panty blog, and go ahead and scroll down and save my changes. And so now that I've saved my changes, I'm going to go ahead and go to the front end and refresh the page with the F5 key. And on my home page, you can see that it now has the About Me page assigned to it. And if I click on Panty blog, you can see up here it's a different, oh, you can't see up there. Maybe I should move you back a little bit. There you go. So now you can see up there, this is my Panty blog page. And it displays all of the posts that I put up. But now I want to alter the navigation menu to put my blog maybe on the left side over here, just for personal preferences, nothing more, or to actually illustrate how to customize the menu entirely. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. In order to customize that menu, we go back into our dashboard and look off to the left, again under Appearance and Menus, click on Menus. Now we can't alter the default menu that we have been seeing. What we can do is create an entirely new one and assign what it looks like, it's what it displays like from here. We're going to create an entirely new menu. We're going to start by naming the menu. I'm just going to name it Menu. And then we're going to start at the top left-hand corner up here. What the primary menu was the only one that we've been seeing at the top of the site, the main navigational menu. Don't mind my dog's little tap dancing nails. So now that I have made the menu, my primary menu becomes Menu. And I save that. And move down here. You can either do custom links, or what WordPress does with its menus is it goes ahead and lists the pages that you've already put up. That's really easy if you just check these. But what I'm going to show you how to do is add a custom link, and what this enables you to do is, say later on after you've been blogging a bunch, you have a really specific category that you would like people to be able to get to really quickly no matter where they are on your site. You could use the URL for that and put it up in the navigational menu. Now what a URL is, I'll go ahead and I'm on my home page, which I've assigned to be About Me. The URL is what's up in the browser's address bar. So in order to do that, copy it. Control-C is a keyboard shortcut for copy. And then I go back to my back end and I go ahead and Control-V. It's a keyboard shortcut for paste. And here's where you define what the actual label for the navigation item is going to be. And I'll just go ahead and put About Me. And when you click Add to Menu, you'll see off to the right that it's been added to my menu. Now I want to bring the other two pages into the menu that I made, and in order to do that I'm going to use the other options over here, Panties for Sale and Panty Blog. And after I select them and add to the menu, they get added with the labels according to how I created the pages. But I biffed that one, the Panty Blog. I should really make it consistent and have it be all caps. I could change the name entirely and just make it Blog. And I'm going to go ahead and save the menu. My dog really wants to help with this tutorial. Okay, she's very distracting. I'm back on my front end and I'm going to see what the navigational menu displays like now. I love you. Go, go, go. So now you can see it's according to how I've arranged it. The About Me, or the home, is the first, Panty Blog is the second, Panties for Sale is the third. If I go back into my dashboard, that's how they're all arranged. Now what this cross does is it allows you to move, oops, if you put it under there like that, it's you want to make sure that they're all off to the left if you want them to display all on the navigational menu, but you could move them around according to however you want it to be at this point. I'm going to go ahead and save that menu. and wait for it to do its thing on my slow internet connection. And looks like it already did. Press F5 so we could see it change. WordPress really makes it easy for you to do this. And that is how you move your blog off of your home page and put it on another page and customize the menus accordingly or however you desire. Now, had you not wanted to blog at all, you would have omitted the process of creating that blog post page, and it therefore would not have been an option to bring into your customized menu. So that concludes this tutorial. I am going to come back for a third and show you how to create a links page. So you'll be able to exchange links with other sites, and that'll go over text links and picture links or banner links. So I hope you join me. Thank you.